Hello friends, this session is very important for CBSE Board Examination 2025. Alright, so this is the live session and many of my friends are there joining in the live session. So today in this session, we are going to discuss the most important thing and the guideline for CBSE Board Examination 2025, right? So after a few days, in the sense very shortly on 15th of February 2025, CBSE board examination for class 10th and 12th is going to begin. So it will begin on 15th February. So therefore, this not only the students, the parents, teachers, principal, and all the CBSE members, all the CBSE staffs and officers, they are too much conscious about this, how the board examination will be conducted very smoothly, so that the students will get more comfortable and they can get good result. Right. So without delaying, let me tell you the very important thing. So this is necessary for all the students, teachers, principals to know the guideline. And finally, I will be sharing this PDF in the description and also in the Instagram, so you can find out and you will be getting all the detail. Guideline given by CBSE for the board examination 2025. So here is the letter given to the principals, and I want to highlight here the most important things that everyone should know. These are the points I will be sharing here. So you can go through the PDF and you will find out. So the most important thing is timing. All of you know that every day the exam starts exactly at 10:30 a.m., 10:30 in the morning. So the students must enter the exam hall by 10 a.m. So no students will be allowed to enter into the exam hall after 10 a.m. So they should reach at the destination before the time, and the timing is given here. You can find out what is the entrance, all the details are given here. You can find out. So I have shared here and I will be sharing the PDF also. You can find out. Campus gate will be open. The entrance gate will be open by 9 a.m. but they cannot enter into the hall. So they can enter into the examination hall 30 minutes before the commencement of the examination. I mean by 10 o'clock they can enter. So then all the time detail is given here. I have shared here. You can find out the time detail, and this is the guideline for the students. And these are some of the items the students should carry while going to the examination. These are the important, what the things they should carry and what the things they will not be carrying. The detail is of course given in your admit card. The students can see the things in the admit card. So besides that, the guideline is given here. So they have to carry the admit card and the stationery items, like the things are mentioned here, and only the analog watch, transparent water bottle, and this bus card are something they can carry. And what are the things they should not carry here? Of course it is mentioned. So, and the dress code for regular students is their regular uniform, and for private students, the distance course students, they can wear light clothes. So these are the clothes detail for the students. It is given here. And now the important thing for the principals. So before commencement of examination, they must have, these are the three things: CMTM mobile app, the mobile application, and OECMS. This is of course in the examination, in the CBSE website they can do, and the center locator app. These are the three apps that every principal and center superintendent must have. So they should know these things. And here one thing, so many of the principals, the friends, they asked me that if you are using, that CMTNCS is only available for Android phones. So if you have iPhones, so I think you may not get, but this is only for Android phones. So you will find this one in Google Play Store. But for iPhone, it is not available. So that is why you should use Android phone for this CMTM app. And these are the guideline is given here. So how to enter the things, the photo and all the things is given here. First, you have to register using your mobile number. If your mobile number, you are not getting OTP, then immediately you have to inform your regional office, then your number will be updated, then you will get the OTP, then your CMTM app will be activated. And one thing, many a times the center superintendent, what the mistake they are doing, so in case of class 10th examination, they may be entering class 12 and the photo they are taking, sometimes this problem happens. So that is we should be very alert what exam, class 10 or class, we must select the class, then all the things. And remember, the center superintendent, they will be collecting the question paper the same day from the custody, maybe some different place. All the superintendent, they have been informed where the question paper they have to collect. So they must reach 1 hour before. So if the exam starts 10:30, then they should collect by 9:30. And of course, the time detail, of course, it is shared through the official email ID. And they will be collecting, and while collecting there, you have to take one photo with the principal and custodian, then you have to upload immediately when you are receiving the question paper. And once you are coming by 10 o'clock, the question paper, means the outside cover, not the question paper, outside cover will be opened in the presence of center superintendent and 4 witness, 2 witness, all the detail already given here, 2 from your own school and 2 from outside invigilators, the assistant examiner. So then in the presence, you have to open the cover, means the parcel, not the question paper. The question paper will be opened in the examination hall in the presence of student and the assistant superintendent. Assistant means the invigilator. So then parcel will be opened, but the question paper will be opened only in the examination hall. So don't open question paper in the superintendent office or anywhere. So the parcel can be opened so that it will be distributed to the different hall. That also in the presence of teachers and the guideline what is shared to you through email. So that is don't do any mistake, because a small mistake may be a problem. So here the detail is given here. Then I will be showing you how to go to the CMTM app. So I will be sharing things now. If you go to CBSE official website, so you will find here academic website, Pariksha Sangam you will find. If you click there, Pariksha Sangam, so you will be directed to the new page. If you continue here, you will see that schools, regional office and head office. Since you are the center superintendent school, if you click here, you will find some slots. Exam reference material, it is not necessary now. Pre-examination activities, if you want to download admit card, so here you can download the admit card. One slot is there. If you download, you can use your login ID and password, so you can get the exam admit card, you can get it downloaded. And we will go for exam activities. When you go to the exam activities, so here you will find all the details. So then you can see here. So this is what OECMS, Online Exam Center Management. So here it is not activated now, so it will be activated on the same day or before the day of the examination. It will be activated, but it is not activated. So but all these other things, the practical, these things we are using here. So it will be activated on the same day of the examination or the before day. One thing you remember, in this online exam center management system is the portal where the center superintendent or the assistant, means those who are doing all this computing work, they have to update everything. Of course, the center superintendent is the main who will do all these things. So you have to update all the invigilators' name and their UID, unique ID, so that the remuneration will be shared according to that. All of you know that. So then the number of students, attendance, number of question paper, all the details must be maintained, must be updated every day on the day of the examination, right? So let us go to the, so these are the entire PDF. We have to miss the center superintendent, they must read the PDF and they should be ready according to the guideline given by CBSE, so that the examination can be conducted very smoothly. So this is the seating plan. So remember that in every examination hall, there must be maximum 24 students, and for 24 students, 2 invigilators will be there. If it is more than 24 students, then it will be go to the next hall, and the seating arrangement, of course, it is shared here. And if it is less than 24, one invigilator. And besides that, this year CBSE has given 2 extra invigilators, means the assistants. Those will be waiting at the entrance of the campus for the frisking. So they will check so that the students are following all the guidelines. So that all the details must be entered in online exam management system for every name and every account number, everything, so that the exam, so that all the staffs, they will get what the remuneration. So you know that CBSE is sending the question paper according to the slot. So it is of course mentioned here what is the slot and how it will be shared. So then when the question paper comes, the superintendent must go and verify the question paper, and they should collect the right question paper on the right day. Otherwise getting wrong question paper will be a very big issue. That may be some problem. So that is why collecting the right question paper on the right day is very important for the center superintendent. So the custodian will have also the mobile app, and the superintendent also will have that CMTMCS, and the custodian will have CMTMC, C for custodian and CS for what? Center superintendent. Okay, so they will be using both the app for the updating. So this is the appendix. So at the end of this PDF, you will find a lot of appendix, which is very important. So Appendix C, I can show you here. So this is the guideline for the assistant superintendents, so those who are the invigilators. So their role is very important because they will be the main people who will be directly associated with the students during the entire examination process. So then you can see these guidelines. So you have to follow these guidelines in order to maintain the smooth conduct of examination. So then you have to check the admit card and what the material is given, photo, everything you have to match, and finally you have to sign using blue color pen. So you will be using blue color, then you will be signing at the required place. And so now this Appendix E, F, G, H, these are the most important for the center superintendent, because there are some of the appendix you have to send to the office with the answer sheet. So that is a Appendix E, you have to fill very carefully. So then this will be done by the center superintendent, so this will be done by center superintendent. Then Appendix F is what how many students are present and absent. This is attendance report. That is very important, must be sent to with the answer sheet. And this is the Appendix G. Appendix G is necessary if any students doing any unfair behavior during the examination. If it is not, then you have to leave it blank. Then you have to send. So Appendix H is very important. This is the attendance, where the students and the invigilator will be putting their signature, and the serial number, the answer sheet booklet number will be written. So Appendix H is very important. So don't forget to send this Appendix H with the answer sheet. And the most important thing is that if you are sending that Appendix H, one copy should be there with the superintendent or in the school with the principal, so for the future purpose if anything is required. Appendix I for any physically challenged candidate, if you find, then you have to write the detail about them. Appendix J is the school bell timing that must be kept at the entrance so that everyone can understand how the bell timing, all the things will be there. So always exam starts morning 10:30 a.m. So by 10 o'clock all the students will be reaching the examination hall, and the question paper will go to the exam hall. So in between 10 to 10:15 the question paper will be opened, and the signature will be done by the invigilator and the 2 students from the hall. And exactly 10:15 the question paper will be distributed, and the students will take 15 minutes to read the question paper, and exactly 10:30 the examination starts. So then if it is 1 hour or 2 hours, that depends upon the subject, means different subject had different time duration. So then you have to follow this instruction. So yeah, of course there are appendix I have sharing here. So if you have any if you have any question, so you can ask me. So you can write in the comment box, or you can write me personally. So I can share you and I can explain you, or if any problem comes, I can guide you how to do the things. Okay, so thank you very much for today, and for more detail we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you.